All right, look, here's my buddy Coco. All right. Bet you ain't never seen a cow with a hat, huh? Oh, yeah. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's just going to rock it. I'll buy you a black one just like it. I will. Yep, I will. He's my buddy. Okay, we got to cut that tag off and set him free. Free Coco instead of free Willie. They can't have sorry. They can't eat this one. He's my buddy. We already got the plan. I'm going to cut the tag and he's going to run. All right, everybody have a good day. Peace. Coco. Coco. Tell everybody bye. Say bye.